Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the Japanese yen because actually all setups that we have discussed in recent sessions on euro currency. Again, we do not see any reasons for updating because as you can see price action is really flat in the recent couple of sessions, so nothing to add right now. Setups that we have on the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar we have discussed yesterday, so it's also that's why I thought that probably we could share with you some ideas on the Japanese yen. Although we do not have the setup for trading right now, but it could be confirmed very soon, and we should keep an eye on the situation that we have in the daily chart. Last time when we have traded the Japanese yen, this was approximately a month ago, and we mostly have traded this large ABCD retracement. So we have prepared the monthly weekly research for that purpose and starting the trading this in this point. This was retracement, and here the trade has started. First leg. Here we traded minor setup on this thrust, so some kind of the bread and butter our trade was, but later we have turned to trading of this butterfly and completion of this ABCD. So actually this part, the CD leg of this trading, is the same that we have right now on the New Zealand dollar. So it's very easy to compare this action and what we have on the New Zealand dollar with this ABCD, and you'll see a lot of common things. So the butterfly at the bottom, large ABCD, bread and butter in the middle of the CD leg. So these is common things that we have. So here we have completed this trade and actually forgot about the Japanese yen for some time because this was strong support. As you can see, this is actually agreement on the daily, weekly basis, and trade has been completed. What we have right now? Right now, guys, we have the normal reaction on the completion of this ABCD and reaching the strong support. And this reaction takes the shape of the thrust, so it's not really bad. With the gap here, sufficient number of candles with this gap, no penetration of the 3x3 moving average on the way up. It's a very good sign. And take a look, market right now is approaching to a very important area. So this is the 618 resistance from this top to this bottom, 618 area, 114.60, and that is also ultimate target of the butterfly. So as we do not have any extensions here, we can use some ABCDs within this thrust, so nothing actually we have here. We need to use some other tools to find some additional information for that. And we use the butterfly extension. So the ultimate target of the butterfly extension is 1618 from the whole butterfly action. And it also stands in the same area. So it means that very often market could meet the resistance. And that in turn could become the background for Jordan Apple pattern. So this will be either bread and butter trade or double repo pattern. So and probably we could hope that maybe today or next week we will get this setup. On the intraday chart, guys, on the 4-hour time frame chart, nothing is really going on currently. So you can see market takes the shape of the gradual upward action inside the channel. We did not use any pivots here because upward action already has broken through all pivot resistances that we have. Monthly pivot resistance, weekly pivot resistance. So it just means that probably this action will become the part of something larger, and maybe after retracement on respect of this area, upward action will continue. But that is another story. So we currently not interested with the large perspective, far going perspective. We're mostly right now watching on this possible scenario of this possible downward action, maybe the double repo pattern or something of that sort. So what we need to do, first of all, probably we need to wait the hitting of the resistance, so some upward continuation could happen. If you'll take a look at the hourly chart, this is definitely not some kind of the reversal or bearish capitulation. We did not see here something of that sort. mostly reminds some flat action. I would say that some kind of even bullish dynamic pressure here we could talk about. Also take a look at this spike. This looks like some kind of the wash and rinse. So market has dropped, grabbed stops below these lows. For those who taken the position here with upward continuation, market wasn't able to continue upward action immediately, dropped, grabbed the stops and returned right back up. So maybe as major target stands slightly higher, maybe we'll see some another action to 114.60 already before something will happen. Maybe here will be some butterfly will be formed or something. So that's our important task. Actually, before speaking on taking the short position, we need to get the pattern that will confirm this idea. So we need to get some reversal pattern here. One of them could become, for example, brand body, or maybe we will get butterfly, or maybe we'll get the hand shoulders here. So if, for example, this will be the shoulder, it will show upward action, will hit the target, this will be the head. So, in other words, we see the setups, we see the potential scenario on the daily chart. It really could happen very soon, but we do not have yet the final point. We do not have yet the reversal pattern here on hourly chart. That's what we'll be watching for in the nearest future. But currently, this action to see here mostly suggests that some upward continuation probably should happen. So let's keep watching. As soon as we will get something on the daily chart, this will be interesting setup. We'll definitely dedicate the daily video to this scenario.